Hi, this is the G-Wii rev2, otherwise known as the BB-Wii. The Bitbuilt crew met up at the Midwest Gaming Classic in Milwaukee this April, where we worked together to construct the BB-Wii in just 2 days. The CAD model, 3D printing, and motherboard trimming was prepared prior, but just about everyone participating in soldering at least one wire. I'd like to give a big thanks to Shank, Ginger, Cheese, Noah, Nold, Mad Morta, Pulseman, Hackerbilly, Crash Bash, and the rest of the Bitbuilt crew for helping out. I mostly overlooked the assembly and only had to step in once or twice for troubleshooting. The G-Wii rev2 features custom molded GameCube ABXY and D-pad. Originally, it was Shank's task to trim down the GameCube ABXY to fit into the case. Fortunately, he messed up on the first pair abroad, so Mad Morta donated these beautiful transparent glitter ones. It also uses the same official GameCube analog stick and C-stick. Down here are the screen controls and the headphone jack. It uses the Wii HUD audio amplifier, so there's no dedicated switches for volume up and down. You control it by simply holding down the Z, Y, and then using the D-pad up and down to monitor the volume level. And in the front are the double tag mounted shoulder buttons, the Z button, and this is the power button. You hold it down for a second and it turns it on and off. And then you tap it to change the LED modes. This is the Wii Power Management System, which you can check out my Wii Vision video where I give a deeper rundown. Of course, the fan, this is the fan exhaust, and the fan intake is on the back. I swapped out the tack switch and used a real GameCube start button. Perhaps the greatest improvement is the USB-C features, which allows you to use an internal USB drive, and you can simply upload the new files to the internal drive by plugging in a USB-C cable to the computer. It also allows you to use USB-C power delivery charging. So this is an Anker power delivery charger. And then after plugging it in, the light turns on, signaling that it's being charged. USB-C power delivery charging is way more universal, and you don't have to carry around any special chargers like my other portables. Anyway, there's not too much else to say. If you want to see more of the G-Wii, you can see the G-Wii Rev 1 video,